So we were on a hot streak, selling car after car after car, making money each time. The Swift we did quite handsomely on. And then we got to the Lexus. Unfortunately, that broke the streak.
Yeah, and actually broke as well.
Yes, and broke and was a pain in the ass, and I'm glad we got rid of it. But you're probably wondering, the MPS, how did we go? This is the video. Did we make money? Well, we had a lockdown. We had countless no-shows, countless people lowballing. So today, you're going to find out, have we just taken another step backwards? So if you're new to our YouTube channel, and more specifically our Lemon to Lambo series, it's basically where Morgan and myself flip cars until eventually, hopefully one day, we get a Lamborghini. We started off with a Mazda 3 MPS, bought that, sold it. We then went up to a Swift, which is a weird thing to say, bought that, sold that. Then we bought a WRX, which we bought and sold that, hit the Lexus, which tanked us, and then we bought the Mazda 6 MPS.
Yep, so we actually recently sold it. So good news.
Yes, we did sell it. It's gone.
After what, 2 months or so?
It was ridiculous.
We were kind of battling, you know, lockdowns.
Yeah, the roadworthy expired.
Yeah, the roadworthy expired.
It's 2 months, yeah. But yes, in that time, wow, what a roller coaster. We went from crazy car prices to just no one buying cars, but then all the car prices are staying the same. But yes, in this video, we're going to break down the costs associated with the MPS and whether or not we actually made a profit. So Morgan.
So we bought the MPS from the auctions, which put the video up there if you haven't seen that one already. We bought it.
Way, right?
It is that way, yes. Gets it wrong every time.
Yeah, I don't know. Left is right, right is left. Anyway.
So we bought it for $8,000 at the auctions.
Which we thought was a very good price because every single 6 MPS for sale in Australia,
14, 15
yeah,
or
14,
so?
15 grand. We're thinking, cheering. We are so in the clear. We could sell it, you know, cheap for 12 grand and make 4 grand profit. That was our thinking. And initially when we got it, if you haven't seen the video where we went over the Mazda 6 MPS, the thing was flawless. It was clean on the outside, clean on the inside. Engine was perfect besides being dusty. Full service history from new, both keys. Like you couldn't like flaunt the car. The car was perfect. It was flawless.
And even when we jacked the car up just underneath.
Clean, just beautiful.
Yeah,
the thing was
dust.
Garage queen. Like it had never touched our area's roads before because if it does, it just gets dusty. But the thing was immaculate and we're thinking, sweet. We got this car at a ridiculously good price and we don't need to do anything. We did end up having to replace its battery. So that was a cost. So we'll add that up on the tally. 8 grand that we did have to replace the battery. That was about 150 bucks. We had to register it and get a roadworthy for it, which was another 500 bucks. So in total, we were into the car about 8,600, I believe. I don't have my book with me today, so I can't give you the exact prices, but Morgan will put them up. Is it here? Yeah, because we shift over that way. Yeah, okay, there. We're formatting while we're filming. Lol. So yes, that was all we had. Now, when we first listed it, we did have people offering in that 12 to 13 ballpark. Yeah. And then they just didn't.
Yeah. Well, we had, I think there was a couple that offered 12. And at the time, we were kind of hoping a bit higher, but we were trying to, I guess, play in the field. Some people looked at it.
You never take your first offer.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're thinking, look, it's the first offer. There's going to be better ones out there, and if we don't, then we can go back to them. And anyway,
which wasn't the case.
Wasn't the case. So we listed it for 14.
Yeah, just shy. I think it was 13.9.
13.9.
14, yeah.
And we had people, but they were lowballing us at 12. We then realized, okay, 12 grand, we'll drop it down there, and no one wanted to buy it.
No, we messaged all those people that offered 12. No, nah,
Yes.
don't want to do it anymore. Not interested.
Keyboard car guys.
Mm.
So then we lowered it again.
Yep.
And lowered it again. And during this, we go into lockdown and we're thinking, oh crap, anyone that wants to buy the car can't look at it. So that obviously did have an impact. But also we started seeing that no cars were selling. So none of the MPSs listed, including ours, was getting taken down. And that also extended to other cars. We're always constantly looking at cars for sale and nothing was selling, nothing was going down.
Even our younger brother has a WRX and that was
that was
months
crickets.
to sell as well. Yeah,
and that wasn't unreasonably priced
no, it
either.
wasn't.
So we think we kind of hit a big storm, which was lockdowns and people not buying cars, which is kind of weird, especially in Australia at this time of year, because also we're thinking, well, we're just out of tax time. Everyone's got all this money back. We'll be able to sell the car easily. Not the case. So yes, but enough doom and gloom. We did sell the car. You tell them. There you go. You tell them.
All right, so we sold it for a whopping $9.5 grand.
Yeah. So with the fuel, the rego, the roadworthy, as well as insurance, we walked out at about $700
Yes.
profit.
Profit though.
So we did go up, just in a very small amount.
Yeah.
So the MPS is sold. Well, it's like someone died. We're really sad.
Yeah.
But
I mean, it's still $700. It's still, we're in the positive. We've recovered a little bit from the Lexus, so.
yeah, God. Maybe our next shirt will be a Lexus emblem in flames.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yes, the MPS is gone. We made $700 profit. So we're back. We can go to the auctions. We can be looking on Marketplace, having fun. So yes, MPS is gone. What should we get next? We've had a lot of people message us asking for some good old Australiana, some Commodores, some Falcons. We're on board. We want one. But our new budget, I believe, is about 12.7 or 12.8, something like that. So if you have an XR6 Turbo or an SS Commodore that doesn't have 40 million Ks, let us know. We're interested.
And to sell us it for cheap.
Yes,
Or
cheap.
you can make money.
Or a project or something like that. We're itching at the bit to itching at the bit. That's two sayings in one. We are chomping at the bit, itching to work on cars. So if we're probably going to get a project next, a little bit, something that needs work. But yeah,
That's something else we noticed is with the MPS, it's no fun. You get it,
bought it,
and it's, besides the battery, but that's in and out and
battery was
a minute.
30-second job. Yeah, like nothing. Well, in saying that, if you want a 30-second video on how to change a battery, I guess we can do it. How-to video. It'd be considered a short.
Yeah.
Under a minute. Anyway, we're rambling. No one's here. If you missed our previous video where we installed the new brake kit on Morgan's car, or not new brake kit, but the brake upgrade we did on Morgan's car with the hubs, rotors and pads, you'll know that we have a merch shop up now with these perfectly nice modeled shirts. We'll put that link below. Check it out. If you buy a shirt, and if they're still available, we'll throw in a free sticker for you. We ship anywhere in the world, and it's hand-packed by Morgan and myself, more so me. Morgan doesn't do anything. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Good news, we're back. We've got MPS is gone. Bring on more cars and more auction content. More auction content. I love the auctions. It's like Russian roulette, but for car guys.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching and staying tuned to our Lemon to Lambo series. We're going to get there. We're going to get that Lambo. It's just, if we keep doing $700 flips, it's going to take we're going to be old with white beards and bald and yeah. Anyway, we're rambling. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
get supercharged.